Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Pink & Main using their October 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is encouraging words, and I just love the uplifting sentiments that are included. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. Pink & Main opened up some more subscription spots on October 1st, so if you are interested, I suggest not waiting. But let me go ahead and show you everything that's included in the kit. So there's always this little information card that tells about the theme of the kit and has the list of contents. And then you'll get your 8.5 by 11 zippered bag and then the cardstock. So go ahead and get this out of the box, get this out of the way. So there are 2 sheets of the white ice rink cardstock. And this is a nice heavyweight 110-pound cardstock. There's a yellow. It's a nice soft orange. There's this beautiful pink. This is a lot of pastel colors. There's a light blue. And then it might be hard to see, but this is a pearlescent textured cardstock in blue. And then there's a smooth finish green pearlescent paper. Beautiful colors. So they match perfectly with this paper pad. So this is called Pastel Dreams. It's a 24 sheet double-sided paper pad. You'll get 2 of every design. And there's no specific theme to this paper pad, so you could use this for any occasion. So there's lots of stripes, plaids, polka dots, some chevrons, and a nice variety of these beautiful soft pastel colors. I think this paper collection would be great for spring cards, Easter cards as well. So like I said, you'll get 2 of each design. And then next is the stamp set, and I love this stamp set. All sentiments, great uplifting words, just positive things to add on a card, give to somebody if you need to brighten up their day or if they're just feeling down. So this is going to be perfect. I'll get a lot of use out of this stamp set. And then next you'll receive an embossing folder. And this is fun. It looks like falling snow. I can show you the little print design here on the back so I don't have to take it out of the package. And then there are a set of silver foil doilies. So these have a nice thickness, a nice weight to them as well, and they're super shiny. I think I counted, there's a total of 6. And then the twine this month is in beautiful pink. So there's 3 yards of each. You'll get the solid pink and then the white and pink stripe. Then you'll get a sheet of these lovely green gems in 3 different sizes. And then there's a whole package of white buttons. So I'm going to take them out because it's kind of hard to see with my overhead lights. So these are all little heart shapes. I have the 2 little holes in the front. So I'll just show you a few of them here. And I think that white will just be perfect because it'll go with all of those nice soft pastel colors. And then there's also a package of 6 larger buttons. They have 3 different colors and they have this really cute design in the background with all these little hearts. Aren't those lovely? And I guess if you really don't like the pattern, the back side is black. And then next there is a roll of blue chevron print washi tape. And this is a big roll. It's not just a couple yards. This is going to last quite a while. And it's about 3/4 of an inch wide. So there you can see that pattern. Really fun. And then next we have the beautiful sequin mix. I love Pink & Main sequin mix. And this is just gorgeous in all of those pastel colors. And then you'll always get the 1-inch collectible flare badge. And this one is super sweet, has BU with a little heart. And then there are 4 A2 size white envelopes included. So you're ready to go when you have a card finished. You can just send that off to a friend or family member. So this is everything that you'll receive in Pink & Main's October 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. I have included links in the description box if you are interested in subscribing to this kit. Pink & Main does require subscribing for a minimum of 3 months, but their kits are always so fun and I've enjoyed every kit so far. They also have some add-ons available, including previous kits that you can purchase without a subscription. Coming soon, I will be sharing the cards that I make using this kit, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.